Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.
Hi guys, I am finally back with a new video for today. It's been a while, I know I've been moving, that's why my background is all wrinkled because it was packed down. But let's go ahead and get into this video, okay? So today we're going to be working on that color that was just in the beginning using the metallic blue and the cobalt blue as well in the Kiss collection. Now I can't say with this, the color does not run off when you wash it, so I think Kiss is about to be my go-to because the color was not running off. But anyway, this wig was sent in to me by my cousin. She wanted me to go ahead and apply some color to it, so that's what I did. So it already came cut and styled. I just did the color and styled it myself. But other than that, let's get into it. So I did go in with the metallic sky first, with the metallic blue, I'm sorry, first at the top. That's why I was lighter at the top. I put the light color towards the top. And then I went in with the cobalt blue and put it towards the bottom and just like smudged them together so it'll blend, as you're going to see me do. Now you guys know I don't like to do too much talking, so just watch. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm not going to show the whole coloring process because it was very repetitive. But anyway, continue watching and I will be back throughout the video.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So yeah guys, use gloves. Don't be like me. I thought I could wing it because I ran out of gloves and did not feel like going back to the store. So yeah, use them because it took me up literally like 4 days max to get this color out of my hand. Yo, no lie. So just use gloves. It ain't even worth it.
choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright, so yeah, like I said, I wasn't going to show the whole color process, so I did let the color sit for like an hour or so. This is how it looked after I washed it out. I washed it off camera, but let's just get into this blue, honey. It is giving me all the life, okay? Of course, I use my hot tools blow dryer to go ahead and blow it out. Now, as you guys going to notice, I started having the most difficult times with my stand, all right? Me and the stand was literally fighting. My stand broke on me in the middle of this video. So y'all going to see me put it together, like, you know, just throw it together. I had to do what I had to do. Don't judge me, all right? Desperate times call for desperate measures. But anyway, I'm just going through it, blowing it out, and it just looks so beautiful. I love this color. But y'all go ahead and stay tuned. Just, you know, vibe with me for a minute. Sorry I had to keep playing the same song, but oh well. Enjoy.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Get my fill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
Alright, so there you have it. I did play around with it some more. I'm gonna insert some pictures so you guys could see what I did afterwards. But go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to both Instagram pages, as Shalika_ and hereby_Lika. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, let your family, let your friends know, you know, give my subs up. But anyhow, y'all go ahead and finish out this video, and I will see you guys next time. I will be back with some more videos shortly and some more colors. So